How to trim video in CapCut PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can trim or crop your videos in your CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your CapCut app from your PC and select any project that you would like to do so. Now, in order to trim this file, select the place that you would like to trim it, and here you will see the option of trim. Click onto it. It is also called a split option. And this is how you can split your video or trim it. In case you would like to delete this right side of your file, you will see the third option that says delete right. Click onto it and that will delete the right side of the file. In case you would like to do same for the left side, here click on delete left and you will be able to trim the left part of your file. Just like so, this is how you can trim your videos in your CapCut. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.